Hey everyone, and welcome back to Put Your Makeup On, where we talk about finding our beauty within. You know you're gorgeous, right? In today's video, boy, do I have an awesome concealer to show you guys. Do you want to cover your dark circles? Do you want to look like you're awake in your Zoom meetings or when you're socially distancing from your family and friends? What concealer is it, you may ask? Find out now on Put Your Makeup On.
1, 3, 4.
So in today's video, we are talking about this guy right here. This is the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. That, I feel, is a tongue twister, and I had to read that 10 times just to get it right. So before I dive into why I love this concealer so stinking much, I want to know from you, have you tried this concealer? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Comment down below. I want to know all of the details. Let's have a makeup chat and have fun talking about makeup. One thing that I wanted to point out of this concealer is the shade range. I think it's no secret with Rihanna's Fenty line. This concealer comes in 50 different shades. I'm going to say that again. 50 different shades. I don't care what skin tone you are, there is a shade for you. And the best part is, it's only $26. I don't know about you, but I feel like for a high-end concealer, especially on Sephora.com or Sephora stores, $26 for a high-end concealer is honestly not that bad. So $26 you are paying for this concealer for 8 mils or 0.27 fluid ounces. So 3 main reasons why I love this concealer so stinking much is number 1, the coverage. The flat applicator allows for even distribution, whether you're putting it under the eyes or spots around the face, or really just anywhere in general. Now, I myself struggle with severe dark circles under my eyes. It literally looks like I have brown eyeshadow under my eyes. I could truthfully say, no exaggeration, when I wear the Fenty concealer, I find myself using it just as is and not even having to worry or bother about putting a color corrector under my eyes. That's how good the coverage is. The second reason why I love this concealer so much is the blendability. You can either use a sponge, you can use your fingers, or my favorite way is using a brush to blend this puppy in. It blends so seamlessly where there is no cracking, no flaking, no looking creasy or makeup-y throughout the day. Easy, easy, easy. Whether you are a beginner or more advanced in your makeup skills, this concealer, it just beats out all of my other concealers that I own, and I own a lot. And the last reason why I love this concealer is also the lasting power. I love how I can get through a couple minutes wearing it, a few hours wearing it, all day into nighttime wearing it, and it ain't going nowhere. No looking crusty or funky under the eyes whatsoever. You can also set this concealer with a little bit of powder if you're really oily. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see my favorite face powder. And also, fun fact, it is also cruelty-free, which I think is awesome. So if you want to get your Fenty Instant Retouch Concealer, check the link in the description box down below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button to see more videos like this. And while you're at it, give me a thumbs up, which helps me out a lot. And I will see you in next week's video. Have a great day, guys. Bye!